Good afternoon from Dog Bone Ranch. I don't know if you can see the raindrops, but it's raining. And it is beautiful out here. Oh, just gorgeous. So the dogs that have decided to go in from the rain are Hope and Makita and Sadie. Everybody else, it's a very light sprinkle. This is just gorgeous. They're that good boy that we love, our longest customer, and I love him. That's Tanner. He's such a good boy. Yes, you are. He's been coming here since before he had all this white on his face. I love him. Oh, look at, they're grazing in the grass like little cattle. Hang on, Shadow, I'm filling that up again. Strange noises coming from the neighbors. There they all go. There's lovely Sadie in her favorite spot. And then there is lovely Sumi, short for Tsunami, in her favorite spot. Sadie! Sadie! Hello, precious Sadie! Hello, precious Sadie! Hello, precious Sadie! There's Sumi.